Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by tapping on Settings and selecting Bluetooth section right away. So miss click. Then click on this gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now tap on Pair and wait for the device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this icon next to the device and hit Unpair next to under Rename. You can connect to the same one by tapping on it and hitting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!